Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. Group 26, presented by Juan Pablo Tasco Sarmiento, presented to Jennifer Tovar. I will talk about intellectual property. It defines as the personal and patrimonial right the intellectual property protects. One of your optical and favorable cost-benefit balance. Causes. High cost is not only has a free cost, it has surveillance costs, administrative costs, ignorance of the process, disinformation and general ignorance of the processes, lack of funding, lack of resources to support research. Consequence, an intangible asset is not of time. We don't develop a competitive advantage. We don't have an instrument for technological advancement and development. We for a risk of copying. As a recommendation, it is recommended to seek support and advice from agencies such as the Science, Technology and Innovation Department. Motivate researchers to develop methods to understand the process applied to the costs and benefits of intellectual property. Thank you. Goodbye.